$37,440 just in the last 22 days with affiliate marketing. How's it going, guys? My name is Dekel, and in this video I want to show you how I've been able to generate $37,440 just in the last 22 days by leveraging nothing except affiliate marketing using one campaign. Now also, if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm also going to be giving away 7 different hotel stays in Miami, luxurious hotel stays, and you could be one of the winners. In fact, the winner is going to be announced on Monday, and to qualify for that, all you need to do is comment down below, leave a comment down below with where you're from, what city you're from, and with the words, I want to go to Miami. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I go do the live stream, and you can hop on the live stream and find out if you're a winner. And also make sure to like this video. So now let's dive right into it. I want to show you exactly how I've been able to do this with affiliate marketing. Let's jump right into my accounts. So this is, as you can see here, my shopping cart. And let me just highlight this. Let's actually refresh this first. Let's see, maybe something else came in. And as you can see, from the dates of September 19 to October 11, which is exactly 22 days, I've been able to generate $21,090 with just 2 different income streams. And there's one additional income stream, which we're going to go to over here. And I'm going to click refresh, and we're going to scroll down. And as you can see, this has generated me an additional $16,350. This is by leveraging one specific affiliate marketing campaign that basically includes a webinar, email follow-up, a members area, all types of videos. And basically it's a campaign that's already done, and you can actually leverage it too if you're interested in making commissions with affiliate marketing. Now remember, all you need to do to access this campaign is just below this video. I've actually left a link for you to go check it out and get set up. There's only 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is click the link in the description of this video. I'm also going to leave it as the first comment in this video. As a second comment, actually, you're going to see the giveaway. So make sure to enter that so I can draw your name and find out if you're a winner. And to enter the giveaway, all you need to do again is just comment down below the city you're from with the words, I want to go to Miami. And also make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and enter the giveaway. So now let's dive back into what this campaign is and how can you actually leverage it. There's only 3 simple steps again. I've already set this up. So imagine if you came to me and you asked me, hey, David, how did you make $37,440 in 22 days? And I show you a website that has a webinar presentation. It has multiple affiliate programs built into it. There's also email follow-up that's already built into it. And you tell me, okay, that's great. Can I use it too? And I tell you, yes, actually, you can use the same exact thing. That's exactly what I've set up here. And actually, people have already done that. Other members that maybe you're watching this right now and you're like, okay, does this work for other people? Is this something that's actually potentially, like I can actually make money with this? Well, let me show you. Let's jump right into here to the Facebook group. This is the actual Facebook group here, where as you can see, I do the work and you are the one that gets to keep all the commissions. All you need to do is follow 3 simple steps, which is number 1, click the link that you see just in the description below this video right here. If you're watching this on YouTube, there's going to be a link for you to click, and make sure to, number 2, set up your system, because obviously I'm going to need your affiliate IDs. And number 3, send traffic exactly the way I show you. We're leveraging mostly free traffic. You can also do this with paid ads, but I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to get free traffic, just so you can see. Here's a member by the name of Jeff, and just 7 hours ago he posted, boom, I woke up to a $2,000 commission. It never gets old making money while you're sleeping. Now let me say this, obviously my results and the results of the members that you're seeing here are not typical. We don't do typical things in our business, and neither should you. I'm going to show you what to do, and I could give you the best campaign in the world, but if you don't follow my instructions, you're not going to get very far. So make sure to follow my instructions, do exactly what I show you on the webinar, and basically get your system set up the right way. It takes only 10 minutes, and then start driving traffic to it, just like Jeff did. Let's take a look at another one. By the way, here's his commission, $2,000 with one of the income streams. Here's another member, Paulo, 5 hours ago, he posted, so far in 22 days, he basically started using this at the same exact time that I started using this. It's a brand new campaign, guys, like brand new campaign that you can literally copy for yourself and start making affiliate commissions. Obviously, I can't guarantee any sales, but if you follow what I show you, that's exactly what everybody here is doing. And he was already able to generate $22,565. He says, listen, if your dream is to make $10,000 a month, David's system, David's campaign is the answer to your prayers. All you have to do is take action, activate your system, and you can do that again by clicking the link just below this video. If you're watching this maybe on my webpage, there's going to be a button there. If you're watching this on Facebook, all you want to do is comment down below info, and I'll send you the info straight to your messenger inbox. And let's keep reading what Paul is saying here. All you have to do is take action, activate your system, upgrade your income streams, and then just send traffic to your affiliate link, as you can see right there. David's system is fully automated. Again, there's only 3 simple steps, guys. Click the link below, get set up, put in your affiliate IDs, and this is what is possible. Now, obviously, I can't guarantee that you're going to make $22,000 in 22 days, but this is what's possible. Members have been doing it. Here's another member, Tim. By the way, I've never met Tim. I don't know who he is. 20 hours ago, he just came into the system. All I know for sure is this. Sometime in the past, maybe a week ago or a couple of days ago, Tim found my system and he got plugged in. He followed the 3 simple steps that I outlined for you. Step number 1 is click the link below. Step number 2 is get set up. And step number 3 is send traffic exactly the way I show you. And boom, look what happened with Tim. $2,000 a day while he was out having fun. And he even posted a picture of, as you can see there, a $2,000 commission that he got. And there he is out there, traveling. I think this is Europe somewhere. I'm not really sure. But there you go. This is actually me. I just posted this yesterday, as you can see right there, $1,800 in like an hour. Here's another member, Nate. He posted that he made an $800 commission while basically he was getting this from income stream number 4 while he was spending time with his dad. As you can see, this system allows you to go do other things, and meanwhile you're getting commissions from the system because you're sending traffic. And by the way, another reason I want you to comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel and tick the bell notification icon is because I do live streams with live questions and answer sessions. So I know right now you probably want to ask me some questions, David, how does this work and all of that. And as you can see here, I tell everyone, hey, bring a bag of questions and hop on the live stream. I'm going to be doing another one of these where I'm going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway. And if you haven't entered the giveaway, again, all you need to do is comment down below where you're from with the words, I want to go to Miami. And also make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, tick the bell notification, and hop on the live stream. Make sure to enter the giveaway and hop on the live stream the next time I do one. That's going to be happening on Monday. And here's another member, Garrett. He says, look, I've been making $2,000 commissions almost every day. Almost every day. And as you can see, he says, look, this is coming in from the first income stream and I'm getting daily clicks. So he's sending traffic daily, which is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. And he says, look, just position yourself in income stream 1 at the highest level and slam traffic to your affiliate marketing campaign link. That's all you need to do. And guys, I could keep going and keep going here. Here's another one from Paulo, $2,000. Here's another one from a member by the name of Simeon. He made $4,000 in 45 minutes. And so far, he's already at $16,500 with the first income stream, as you can see right there. So guys, I'm going to keep this video short this time. This campaign works. I don't want you to create something that's experimental. Just copy what works. How about that? If it already works, just use it. All you need to do, 3 simple steps. Number 1, what you need to do is click the link below and go check out the system. And number 2, get yourself set up. Make sure to watch the webinar. I show you exactly what you need to do step by step. I even show you the exact traffic sources I use. It's mostly free traffic. You can also do this with paid ads if you want to get traffic really fast. And on top of that, I also prepared an insane bonus package for you. Like, imagine if you could actually have me on your side generating the same type of traffic that I do One of the ways that I do that is through YouTube videos. So imagine if you could actually use this exact video in your marketing. You don't need to record anything unless you want to. You don't need to produce anything, edit anything. You just leverage my exact videos, the same videos that have made me these commissions. I want you to leverage in your business. And actually, any traffic that comes in from these videos and any sales that come in from these videos are 100% yours to keep, all of the commissions. You don't need to share anything with me. If you want to find out about the massive bonus package that I've prepared for you, all you got to do is click the link in the video description, or if you're watching this on my webpage, make sure to click the button below. Or if you're watching this on Facebook, which is all places that I use to generate traffic, all you need to do is comment info down below, and I'm going to basically send you the information to this marketing campaign so you can start leveraging it immediately in your business. All right, guys? So don't forget about the giveaway. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below on this YouTube video where you're from, because I'm curious, where are my subscribers from? I see a lot of people visiting my videos, but I want to know where you guys are from. I want to know who wants to go to Miami. There's going to be 7 total winners. Actually, I did a live stream yesterday, and there were 4 winners of another giveaway that I basically did. And this thing is costing me an absolute fortune, but you guys are totally worth it. I love my YouTube subscribers, and I want to give back. Okay, I've been making a pretty decent income with this affiliate marketing campaign. I want to now give back to the community. I want to hook you guys up with some really cool stuff, and I want more awesome subscribers just like you. So to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is comment down below where you're from, and with the words, I want to go to Miami. And also make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon so you get notified when I go live, and you can come to the live stream, find out if you're a winner. That's where I announce all the winners. There's going to be 7 different winners. Make sure to also like the video and make sure to enter the giveaway. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.